Taylor, to Reverend Huggins, Reverend Gaston, Reverend Hooker, Reverend all the preachers in the building. I don't want to get caught up in names and get in trouble. But we thank God for being here tonight. Amen. There's a word from the Lord. It comes in the book of Daniel, the 3rd chapter. I need thee, oh bless me now, my Savior. Furious King Nebuchadnezzar ordered Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego to be brought in. When the men were brought in, Nebuchadnezzar asked, "Is it true, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, that you do not respect my gods and refuse to worship the gold statue that I have set up? I'm giving you a second chance. But from now on, when the big band strikes up, you must go to your knees and worship the statue I have made. If you don't worship it, you will be pitched into a roaring furnace. No questions asked. Who is this God who can rescue you from my power?" Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego answered King Nebuchadnezzar, "Your threats mean nothing to us. If you throw us in the fire, the God we serve can rescue us from the roaring furnace. Anything else you may cook up, O king. But even if he doesn't, it wouldn't make a bit of difference, O king. We still won't serve your gods or worship the gold statue you have set up." So far, the scriptures we want to use for a subject tonight, not for long. Standing for a just cause.